G'day viewers, well today I'm going to try and repair this tweeter here. These are Silver brand speakers, just rebranded Pioneer, Japanese made. Max power input 15 watt, 8 ohms. Model SX301. The driver itself is actually rated to 10 watts. So it's a bit off what they've said there, a bit overrated, but anyway. I suppose it will take 15 watt. You can see here, this big high wattage 8 ohm resistor is actually broken off. So I had a bad connection there. I'm going to test that tweeter to be sure of whether it's blown or not. So I set this up so you can see the screen in the multimeter as I test it. See what it measures. First I measure the dummy resistor, see if that's actually still within tolerance. It should. Should be. Let's get a good connection. No, can't get a good connection there. There we go. Yeah, 8 ohm resistor measures 9.2 ohms. I wonder if that's been driven too hard. Just momentarily disconnect that resistor there and see what this tweeter measures. Well, let's measure the driver first. Make sure that's not interfering. Okay, the main speaker's fine. Now test the tweeter. Not a flux where the solder was here. Gotta get it to penetrate. Oh, it's got something. Oh, it's good. It's not popped. 7.5 ohms. Continuity. We have continuity through that tweeter, so that tweeter's fine. That's a good sign. It hasn't been blown. That's good. So I can just get the soldering iron out and re-solder that down, and that should be fixed, and it should sound a lot better. Okay viewers, I managed to get that all soldered back on. Should sound a little bit better now, so yeah, let's put it back together and give us a look at the front of this. This top of speaker has a little mesh in the centre of the dust cap to allow air circulation through the voice coil, which I think is pretty cool. See the side of the speaker there? It's all, yeah, it's got this the suspension's inverted, so it clears the front of the speaker, so it can be installed without hitting the suspension hitting anything. Not bad little speakers considering they don't have any crossover. Alright, let's put these back together. There it is, here's what they look like. As you can see there, you can see the hole in the dust cap, little mesh there. All fine grill to stop any excess dust, and that helps keep the voice coil cool. I think some model blower pump speakers also use that sort of feature. Tweeter's nothing special. Alright, let's see how the tweeter works. Not too bad at all, the tweeter works good. There you go. Really aren't too bad for their for what they are. So there you go, all fixed. So I'm gonna cut the speaker enclosures out of this old projection TV cabinet. It's just sitting here holding junk, so might as well turn it into something more useful. Just gonna cut around here and the face, trim the face edge down and this edge down, so it's these are intact because they've got an identical set of speakers, identical to these, that fit in this in these inserts. So I might as well put those to use, and they'll sound awesome in here. There's a very nice sounding set of speakers. So from an LG rear projection TV, there are 8 ohms, 15 watt peak power, 25 watt, and the tweeter's 20 watt. Both 8 ohms, so they're quite a decent set of speakers for what you get in the rear projection TV. So yeah, better than what you get in the bloody flat panel TV, that's for sure. So I'm going to start trimming with a saw. What a bits I don't want. I'll leave these boxes as neat and intact as possible and use these for the other set, and they'll be a perfect acoustics. I may put stuff foam in them so they can sound a little bit better. That should be it. Okay, viewers, a jigsaw is going to be a much neater alternative to the handsaw. I've already marked it where I'm going to cut. It's time to just finish off with that. And that should be good. Okay viewers, I've salvaged what I needed to salvage. Just got to trim up a little bit, like here, trim off the excess. Get the other old Bosch sander going and we can just neaten it up. Okay viewers, they're crude, but they'll do the job. Just need to clean up the mess, clean up the tools and put everything away, and I can set these up and give them a test. Alright viewers, I'm going to try and repurpose this base bit, just so I can use it like as a dolly, make it easy to move stuff around. So yeah, the speakers are done, now put back in their original enclosures. I haven't stuffed any acoustic foam in there yet, so just going to give them a test as they are now.
Any property. Vineyard Road has been
It's just AM.
In both directions. Homicide trawling through CCTV footage.
It's all about reduce, reuse, recycle, so less waste and try and repurpose what you can. Yeah, actually reuse the best part of that cabinet instead of throwing the whole damn thing away. Wasting perfectly good speaker enclosures. I was able to cut these out and save the best bits out of that.
Detective Inspector John Potter has ruled out robbery as a motive.
The front plastic part, I'm not going to fit this off the TV. By the time I cut the plastic, it's going to look really garbage, so I might have to try something else. I want to just leave them like this. They look crude, I know, but they definitely sound better, or make up for it in sound.
Closed up, and there's no sign of forced entry.
A large crane will be used to inspect the southern.
Alright, let's try FM.
Handles of those charges, and is also charged with because of fears of further violence. Sally Sarah, ABC News, Kabul. The Pakistan.
To Sports News, and Cricket Australia says it's
Unwinding us. Weekday 7:50 is your chance to take it all with the Fishers ITA.
Tonight, sunny tomorrow, 30.
So yeah.
Well, Christopher's in from Choice Magazine.
There you go. Two perfectly good sounding speakers just by reusing the old bits, and yeah, it actually sounds quite good, so thanks for watching.